daylight speaks. Tires whisper soft on gravel and sleep. Mist on the ridges, a silver veil, like the mountains waiting to exhale. I hold my breath and let it go. In the quiet, everything slows. Tombstone Range in morning haze, soft outlines in a pale gold glaze. The world feels new, the sky feels close, and I'm just a guess. The north invites most. No need to hurry, no need to chase. I'm learning peace in this open place. The drone rises gently, the fog moves on, revealing shapes where the shadows belong. Photos catch the light, but not the chill, not how the silence bends the will. If I take anything, let it be a calmer heart and a quieter me. Let the mist lift, little by little, like a promise I don't need to prove.